So you pop your pin till it clicks. It just didn't click, and then that will open. You get your lever like you're gonna break it. Go halfway. Your BCG will come out, and then slide this, and it's gonna drop down. And then that's how it needs to go back in. You'll find that little sweet spot. So now, since you got your BCG out, first thing you would want to do is pull this little pin out. So take a pin, push, and so you see it comes out. We'll go ahead and pull that pin. Once that pin comes out, your firing pin will come right out. Once your firing pin comes out, you gotta get extractor out of the way. So you have to turn this sometimes. Let me loosen up a little bit. So this needs to turn so that it can come out. Once that comes out, then that comes right out. And then you can clean everything inside. And then to reassemble, your ejector will always go on your rib side. So that goes back in there like that. And then if you look real close, it's hard to see it, but you have to clock that so that hole is back open again, to where this will go right back into that slot. And then push it in, and then you can push that forward, but this needs to twist back to be like that, because there's a hole that goes through there that the firing pin has to go back through. And so then you pull that back, and then you turn it like this, take your firing pin, drop her back in there, and then turn her back, put your pin back in there, and